Oh, it's you two.
Jellyfish. Ow.
Hey Squidward, you wanna go jellyfishing?
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a painting to finish, and I don't have the time or patience to catch jellyfish.
But Squidward, jellyfishing.
No, SpongeBob. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to enjoy my Sunday.
I want to watch the jellyfish divide.
Patrick, jellyfish don't divide. But cells do.
What are cells? Do they stay?
How do you two morons know about beautiful science such as cell division?
Why, Squidward, we know all about cell division.
SpongeBob, I doubt an imbecile like you could explain intelligent topics to an expert like me. You probably think it's a dessert.
But we really do know all about cell division.
Yeah, cells.
Nonsense. Prove it.
Well, in order for cells to reproduce, they need to divide first. In prokaryotic cells,
Do you know what a prokaryotic cell is?
a prokaryotic cell is when a cell has a membrane-bound nucleus and other organelle.
No, you idiot. A prokaryotic cell is the one that lacks a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles.
But cells divide using barnacle fission.
Binary.
Yeah, binary fission. First the cell copies its DNA.
What's DNA stand for?
Patrick, DNA is the genetic material in which the new cell will know what its traits will be.
Well, yes, that is correct. But I bet you don't know what happens next.
The cell splits.
Oh yeah, it separates into two different new cells.
2 cells.
I'll have you know that your knowledge compares nowhere near to mine. If you must know, you forgot about the DNA being copied so that 2 identical chromosomes are placed inside the cell's inner membrane. Each DNA copy develops its own cell membrane. It reaches twice the cell's original size.
A new cell wall forms on the membrane, and that results in the prokaryote being split into 2 different cells.
Okay, that's how cell division in prokaryotes works. Do you know how cell division in eukaryotes works?
Well,
The idiots I have to work with. There are 2 kinds of cell division in eukaryotes. The first is mitosis.
mitosis is when new cell's genetic material is identical to genetic material of other cells, right?
Correct. Mitosis occurs in organisms going through repair, growth, development, or asexual reproduction.
You said reproduction.
To think I actually thought you'd grown a brain. The second type of cell division is meiosis, which occurs in gametes, or haploid reproductive cells. Meiosis reduces the chromosome count by 50%.
Oh, so that means each new cell could join with another haploid cell, its whole form with a diploid cell with a complete set of chromosomes?
Correct. You're a lot smarter than I thought. Though I don't suppose that having a brain that is now the size of a walnut is much of an improvement.
Isn't this part of some cycle? The Bell cycle? No, wait, the show and tell cycle.
Patrick, it's part of the cell cycle. Right, Squidward?
Correct. The time between cell division is called interphase. Interphase is divided into 3 phases: G1, S, and G2.
Yeah, but most of the time the cell is going through cell division.
Wrong. Most of the time cells are in interphase. As I was saying, interphase happens in 3 phases.
G1 is when the cell grows. S is when the cell copies DNA. G2...
Ooh, G2 is when the enzyme in the cell prepare for cell division.
Right.
Yes, well there's also G0 phase, where the cells don't do anything and they don't reproduce.
Why would cells do that?
Well, nerve cells...
Well, nerve cells don't go through cell division, and they're not constantly reproducing, so we don't forget everything.
So, if cell division occurs uncontrollably, that may cause cancer because it may cause a mutation on one of the chromosomes.
Jellyfish.
Oh, that's right, Patrick. We have to go to Jellyfish Field.
My salvation has come at last!
Bye, Squidward.